Today in this video, we are going to share is the DIY remedy to get rid of wrinkles and dark circles easily at home. All you need is coffee. Your daily morning energizer not only uplifts your mood but naturally boosts your skin too. Coffee is rich in antioxidants that defend your skin from free radicals. Caffeine protects the skin from harmful UV rays that can lead to life-threatening skin disease. Light roast coffee repairs tissues and plays an important role in balancing cell regrowth and increase skin elasticity. It works like magic when used as a scrub. It penetrates the skin and brings out a glow. A cup of coffee serves as an antioxidant internally, and ground coffee face masks benefit you externally. Caffeine also reduces dark circles and the puffiness under your eyes by improving blood circulation. Dark circles are caused by a lack of sleep, improper diet and allergies. They can also be genetic. Although caffeine does not cure hereditary black circles, it can reduce the inflammation and puffiness you might experience around your eyes. Most of us ignore the dark circles, but they can get darker with time. Coffee masks have proven to be very effective on dark circles. The antioxidant present in the coffee help remove fine lines and wrinkles near the eye. Mix a tablespoon of coffee with some aloe vera extract and vitamin E oil and apply under your eyes for 20 minutes. After this amount of time, just rinse it off. Continue this process regularly to get rid of dark circles and puffy eyes. You can also use coffee bags. Put the moist coffee bag on your eyes for 5 minutes and reduce your dark circles without investing much time. Coffee has proven to have wonderful effects on the skin. It contains powerful antioxidant agents which protect the skin from free radicals and reduce the risk of skin cancer. Coffee tightens pores and removes dead skin cells, making the skin look younger. It also displays anti-wrinkle properties. Try this remedy and do let us know about the result. We are sure you will absolutely love it. But if you feel some sort of irritation in your skin after using it, then this remedy is not for you.